shanty town or slum is an overcrowded community of rough huts without access to basic services. They are situated in the outskirts on worthless land, which isn't wanted by anybody else. Slums develop because the vast number of people come to cities to escape poverty and conflict in their native land, or they dream of prospects of a better life. When they fail their attempts of finding decent and affordable housing, they come to shanty towns. The main characteristics of slums are unemployment, malnutrition, absence of sanitation facilities, high crime rate. International agencies try to help the process of urbanization in the developing world. Some charities offer slums dwellers loans to set up business. The authorities of Brazil officially accept their country's slums as permanent and are providing them with necessary amenities.